Big up Crosses TV.
Totally Crosses TV. Big up yourself.
Serious?
At first me you this about cinema now.
What?
Vowel.
Vowel, yeah.
Vowel.
Yeah. You don't know what vowels are?
What it stand for?
It doesn't stand for anything. Like, it's just... Oh my god, you don't know what vowels are? Is it?
So what's the vowel for Ross?
That's not even a real word.
So then what are you talking about vowel for?
Vowel is a real word. It's in the dictionary.
What dictionary? No.
The Oxford Dictionary? The English Dictionary?
Well, me see it mark.
You're not going to find Ross in there, by the way.
Yeah, of course I will.
Sorry?
Of course.
If anyone knows
The
that
dictionary,
if Ross is in the dictionary...
Jamaican dictionary.
Jamaica doesn't have a dictionary.
That's it. Jamaica have a dictionary spelled Ross.
Where is this dictionary? I'd like to see
It's
it.
in Jamaica.
They don't have no blasted dictionary that says Ross in there.
Let me go back there again. Me buy it and give you.
Yeah, you do that.
All right.
A dictionary that says Ross? What
But
kind
it probably
of...
going to take you 1 year to understand it.
Why?
You can understand it.
Why?
Because there's a broken English, but I'm not broken English. That's a half African, half Jamaican.
You know the chicken still isn't cooked?
Yeah, talk about you know about cook.
Yes, I do.
You don't know shit about cook.
Excuse me?
You don't know shit about cook.
You don't know about cooking. Man, you push me over.
In the fire, make it burn you.
He's cooking chicken. Well, burning chicken, rather.
Look at that, I'm talk about burning, sir. It's delicious.
You mind you drop your dentures in the pot of chicken, yeah? Why is it so small?
When you put it in the oil, you'll draw out the water, so then it must come small. You dumb dummy.
I'm the dummy. You're the one that can't even speak proper English. Ow!
Nice.
You're the one that can't pronounce your words. Not me. Where are you going with that
I'm
now?
going to give Mommy need some tomato. Come, go and get dressed and take the dog
Ow,
out.
ow, ow! You have to push me.
Get dressed and take the dog out.
Ow! Ow! That's rude. You just pushed me over. Mom?
Oh, my father's waiting.
Well, I guess I gotta take the dog out for a walk.
Yes, take him. You want to go?
I should take you out for a walk too, put you on a leash.
Me?
Yeah.
Everybody would have run from me.
Right, gonna lock you out now. Bye! Bye!
Lock me out, right?
Bye! Bye-bye!
Don't lock the door, you damn silly man.
Empire, you're about to wee on the mat!
It's cold out here. Don't go down there.
Dad, take him outside, he wants to wee. He wants to go toilet. What are you doing out there? Dad, what are you doing? Come man, it's cold.
The guy tell you come out here.
Yeah, but I have the door open. Okay, I can close the door and you can stay outside.
Go on in, Empire. Empire, go on in. Leave the dog alone. Go in! Go in! You see? No, you understand Jamaican. You don't understand English. If you tell him go on in, you know, go in.
Are you trying to say we have a Jamaican dog?
You know, see what I'm trying to say, go on in and go in.
Hey, Dad. Dad,
Yeah?
can you say Jay-Z?
Say what?
Can you say Jay-Z?
Say what?
Jay-Z.
GD.
No, Jay-Z. You know the rapper Jay-Z. Can you say it? Say his name real quick.
GV.
Jay-Z. Is it because you need your hearing aid?
Z?
Yeah.
Zinc, you talk about Z.
Maybe you need your hearing aid.
Come, Empire. Come in.
I don't think he heard me.
Empire.
I don't think he heard me. JD. JD is where you go and buy trainers.
Empire.
Mum, do you have Dad's hearing aid? I asked him to pronounce Jay-Z, yeah? Hear him, JD.
Come in.
Empire, come. Good boy.
Tell you say don't run quick. Watch it out here cold, man.
Mum, you know Dad tried to burn me with the pot cover.
You want to play too much? Can
Can you stop burping in my head?
Let me go and finish what I'm doing.
Tell him to stop burping in my head.
God.
Dad!
You don't want water, can't you?
People can hear you burping, you know, like a madman.
You know want water, man. You can get water just now.
What are they trying to tell me then?
You keep burping in my head, that's nasty, you know. And do you know how many people just heard you burp?
So,
What do you mean, so?
we keep telling say nothing in name burp or belch. Yeah?
Burp, belch, whatever, same thing.
No, it's not.
Well, lots of people just heard you do that in my head.
Tough.
And you just done it live on the internet for everybody to see.
Tough.
You know the internet where you said the FBI will come? What?
I'll me go to my bed, me remember that.
So if I gave you my phone, you wouldn't know what to press?
You know?
If I gave you the phone and made you do this...
On the computer, I say, hold it a key on it, right?
So if I get... But
I
my...
put my two on behind me, I stand up there and I look on them and I say, which key must I touch? I say, I better not touch none of them because, boy, my heart is weak, so I can't take no more. You tell me if you're going in. You go on what? Online, internet. I mean, I can't net to see, so I know where you tell me go on internet. I go and touch one button to blood fire, me see next road here, belt. Ding dong! Who is that? Police. Okay. What you want now? FBI, to what? Because we find in the computer. Say, what computer? Man, me know what the screen look like you tell about computer. I don't bother with it, man.
But if I gave you my phone's touch screen,
Yeah?
and if you just put your glasses
No,
on...
I don't bother with it because I might touch something wrong there, me and tell you, you know, you me tell you something.
Yeah, but if you were going to do this live...